Welcome to weekly market update. This will be a last weekly market update of 2024, and with respect to 2025 what can be happen, I have released other video. Okay, check description and you can watch that also. Okay, in this video we are going to be study about the top down approach. After that, world market, Indian market, and sectorial view, and which stocks we are going to be track for 2025 Jan. We are going to be studying multiple things and video may be a lengthy. Stay tuned because we have a lot of best stocks which are in a track, so we are going to be study those also. And one more video, trend power blueprint, what it can be happen in 2025 based on the data of 100 year. I have explained everything in a separate video. I'll provide you that link in the description. Just go through that one and watch that also. With respect to our training and coaching programs, we have started with a new batch, that is the Ultimate Trader 2.8 version. It is going to be start in the month of Jan. If you are interested, you can just contact with me and we can discuss on that. Top down approach, what are the things we are learning from this particular video? First, we are going to global market or world market, Indian market, sectorial view, which sectors we can track and trade, and trending stocks. Okay, we are tracking few stocks where we are getting a good opportunity in that, and we are going to be study about those also. And we have a strategy called wealth creation strategy, and we are coming up with a WCS stock, which are the stocks we can trade or invest in that with respect to WCS strategy. And after that, DWM and advanced DWM stocks, sub stocks, and recently I have released the MOT-5 strategy, momentum option trading strategy. We can go through few of the examples which come under MOT-5 setup and what is happened in the last week. Okay, we are going to be review those examples also. So don't skip the video, just watch it completely so you can get a entire top down approach and the insights of market and how we can take actions from Jan. How to select a good stock, this is what we call as a top down approach of a market. Okay, first we are, as I said, first we are studying about the world market, Indian market, and sector and sectorial stocks. Okay, with respect to this particular stat, you can see that the last week is a flat. Last week is nothing but it's a Christmas week. Okay, there is a holiday, and US market is a completely flat. Okay, there is no that much of a movement. But with respect to Japan, it was a good move, like 3% or 4% it's moved. So overall it's a flat market. US market holding a 60, Nasdaq and S&P. So that means in a daily there is a sideway, but in weekly it is stable. Okay, with respect to Indian market, you can see here previous week and this week there is a small momentum, like around 200 points. Okay, 1% movement in last 1 week. Okay, so based on our study of 100 years Dow Jones study and Indian market study, we are expecting something trending market is coming in 2025. So that's why don't miss that video also. With respect to weekly RSI, there is a sideways still. Okay, we have to wait for the opportunity to become a trending. Either it should be it may be in a upper side or a lower side. That means downtrend or uptrend. We must need to be ready with both the opportunities. That's why we started with a downtrend secret course. Okay, if you people are interested, you can just check the description where you can get the course link and everything. Let's discuss about the Sensex daily. Okay, after a loud move, after this loud move, it is taking a pause, right? Similarly, Nifty also, you can observe here there are 4 dozes are there. Okay, and it is taking a support at 40. Okay, once we got a momentum, it could be moved in next week. We are expecting that 24,400, that is what the gap and gap support, everything is there. There could be a chance of 24,400 in coming days with a support of 23,500. Okay, let's see that if in case if it is rejected from this area, then there is a possibility of a range shift and still one more leg we can see towards 23,000. Okay, downside. And this is the weekly stock heat map, and pharma sectors are doing good. Dr. Reddy moved 9% in 1 week. This is a weekly performance of a particular stocks. M&M auto sector, Sun Pharma again pharma sector, trend moved around 4%. Okay, so these are the major stocks where making a huge momentum. Okay, so we have to concentrate on a auto sector also, because there is a possibility of a sector rotation. From last 2 months we are discussing like pharma and IT are the good sector. There is a possibility to be rotate the sector, and we have to track the auto sector also. Okay, these are the sector performance. With respect to auto, last week it performed well and it moved around 2%. Within that, M&M is the best performer, but in weekly it is taking a support at 40. Last week it was at 40, now it is coming to 44. That means yes, there is a strength in auto sector also. And as usual, pharma and IT are doing good. IT sector is at support of a 60, and pharma is above 60 in both the time frame. And these are the sectors which performed well in the last day of trading, Friday. Nifty pharma is the good. Nifty auto moved well. Okay, apart from that, Nifty healthcare, it's related to again pharma. So we have to concentrate on 2 to 3 sectors where we have to be pick up best stocks and trade on that. One is pharma and there one is auto. Okay, Nifty auto, as I said, it is taking a support at 40 in weekly time frame. Okay, and some divergence is also there here. In daily it is making a good momentum. In last 3 days it went well and made a taking a support at 40. Okay, these are the stocks from auto sector. Nifty pharma, okay, you can observe here it is coming out of upper band of a Bollinger band, so there is a momentum expected above 60. Bollinger band also it is squeezed out. Now if it is started moving fast, then the major stocks which we are tracking is Lupin, right, Divis Lab. These are the Lupin, Divis Lab and Loros Lab. These are the major stocks. Lupin and Divis Lab are the cup pattern stocks. Nifty Bank, good thing is that it is taking support at 40 and there is a possibility for 5200 or a 50 till this particular 52,800. We can see the momentum upside with a support of 50,700. Okay, Nifty Finance, it's similar to the bank, Nifty Bank. These are the major stocks. Nifty IT, as we said that it is taking a support at 60. Okay, and if it is take a support here, then there is a possibility of momentum in IT also. Okay, but we need a confirmation. It is making a doji kind of a patterns here, so we have to be very careful. Okay, these are the stocks from Nifty IT. Nifty Infra, okay, it is rejecting from 40 in daily time frame. That means it's a range shift. Okay, and anyhow it is between 40 and 50, 40 and 60 in a weekly time frame. So we are not interested in this kind of a sector currently, because we have the best sectors compared to this one, right? And these are the majors, these are the Nifty Infra stocks. Nifty Energy, look at this, it is rejected in weekly from 40. That means it's too weak. If you want to short the stocks, then go back, go and check the weak stocks from the energy sector. Okay, as a trader we must need to be ready for both the things. Okay, as I used to say that you have to be learn about the how to deal with downtrend also. Okay, these are the stocks from energy sector. PSC, public sector enterprises, look at this, it is taking a support at 14 weekly. This is the investment area. That means low value buying. We know that value buying, if it is take a support here, then only, otherwise we are not interested in PSC sector also. Okay, these are the stocks from Nifty PSC. And check Concur stock. Okay, it is a trend line, it is making a supported trend line, so there could be a chance to move upside in Concur also. Okay, Nifty Reality, it's better than Nifty Infra. Okay, but still there are cluster of resistance here, we have to be careful. Nifty between 60 and 40, that means it's in a sideway. Nifty Consumer Durable, look at this, it last week it was trading above 60 last 2 weeks back, and but it is not sustained now here, so we have to be careful. Dixon is the one of the best stocks within the consumer durable sector, and it is at advanced DWM setup. Trading and tracking stocks. Okay, first we can discuss about the WCS stocks. Okay, WCS means that one, wealth creation strategy. Whenever the stock above 60 in the monthly time frame, and when it takes a support at 60 in weekly time frame, we are trading that one. Sun Pharma, it is taking a support at 60. Okay, we need to be track these carefully so we can get a best momentum trades here. One is Lupin. Okay, Lupin, Sun Pharma, Naukri, right, and HCL Tech. HCL Tech is at support. Okay, it's need a confirmation. Okay, it's need a confirmation here. And now DWM and advanced DWM stocks. Persistent, it's at support. Okay, 60, 60 and 460, that means advanced DWM. Dixon Tech, as I said, it's at support of a 60. Okay, if it made any good green candle, then you can go ahead with the SL of that particular thing. Dr. Reddy, okay, it's near to all-time high. Okay, it's at resistance now. We have to be very careful, but it's from a pharma sector, then there could be a chance to break out Dr. Reddy also. So carefully observe this one so we can get a good momentum trade here. Jubilant Food, it's from FMCG sector, 60 60 60. Okay, but it made a big red candle here, so we have to be careful because it is at resistance, weekly double top. Okay, Laurus Lab, as I said, this is from a pharma sector. There is a resistance here. If it is breakout from here, we can see a good momentum in Laurus Lab also. Okay, Divis Lab, it's at support, DWM. Okay, it made a good green candle, but reversal candle also happened in a Friday session. But there is a resistance at 6,000. It's a round number. Once it's crossed and confirmed, then we can see a 6,500 and 7,000 targets in coming month. Okay, Supriya Life Science, it's a DWM. Okay, DWM setup. There is a small risk with a good return area, potential. Okay, Time Technoplast, it's a advanced DWM setup. Okay, it's a trending and a cup breakout stock. Look at this. That's why I always used to be emphasized to track cup stocks within 1 year from 230 to 500, double 100% return. Okay, here Paytm, this is one of the trending stocks which I'm personally tracking and trading. Okay, it's at advanced DWM now. If it's already sustained above 1000. Okay, in Monday session, if it is confirmed, then moving above the 1060, and we can see a good momentum because it's a small cup also. It's a small cup is there. Okay, if it is confirmed in coming days, then we can see a good momentum. Okay, Ganesh Ocean Corp, there is a PRD in this along with that DWM setup. Okay, cup stock, capacity. Okay, infra sector. Okay, it's at resolution point. Just track this one and apply cup strategy conditions. Whatever you learned in our training, you people can be apply that one. Kesoram Industry. Okay, it's a big cup pattern. Okay, with a huge volumes. There is a possibility of breakout, and track it carefully. Okay, you can see the once it's confirmed, you can see the good momentum here. Ashiana, okay, it's a CIP again here, big cup with a CIP. It's a promising setup actually. There is a huge potential in Ashiana stock, so we can start with a accumulating this stock. Okay, and 60 also, it is coming out of 60 resistance, so we can see a good momentum in Ashiana also. Okay, Lupin, it's a cup pattern, so just keep these all stocks in your watch list. You can prepare your watch list also, but concentrate on the cup pattern stocks. There is a high possibility to be a trended market in 2025, so we have to be ready with our tools, our techniques, our strategies. So we have to take action. Okay, then only we can make a money. Okay, recently I have released momentum option trading strategy 5. Based on that, okay, we got a last week we got a Laurus Lab trade, and it went very well. from 19.75 to 32, almost 80% of return. Okay, another one is Ipca Laboratory. It's a breakout stock above 60 daily and hourly. We got almost 53 to 69. It's open trade currently, and in coming days from January we are improving our formatting of this weekly market update and delivering as much as possible. Okay, so stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. And we have a WhatsApp group, free WhatsApp group, where you are getting a regular insights about market. I am sharing with you the stocks which are making a momentum, and how to utilize which stock, which strategy we have to apply. Everything I am guiding you people in the live market. So join our WhatsApp free group and you can just learn together. And if you are interested about coaching program, you can just connect with us. Okay, thank you guys.